In this video, I'll bring you the unboxing of a Max Grip GoPro plus tripod. Lifetime warranty. Max Grip Tripod comes screw. Got yourself the unlock and lock and how that works out. And then we have the optimized for spherical capture compatible with all GoPro cameras. And let's do this. And it looks like just a little piece of warranty information right there. And this is it. It has a nice firm grip to that. And it feels really good. Now, this is how this works. Meters wise, and then just twist back like that. And the way this thing opens here is just like this. And yeah, it feels pretty sturdy. It's like an oversized, pretty much an oversized mini stick. Just like that. Now let's take a look and see if this will work with the medium mod. And apparently it does, so that looks good for the medium mods construction. Doesn't really matter which way you put it, but it works fine just like that. And thanks for watching, guys. That gets a good review with the Hero 8 with the medium mod design. Let's go ahead and make sure that's on there properly. There we go. It's a nice tight fit since it's brand new. There we go. And looks pretty good. It's kind of a little more weird to have this piece right here, but it works nonetheless. Just have to put it in tight, and it's pretty good. You got a nice, good grip right there. When you're ready to just put it down, you just open this up, and we're good. There we go. And thanks for watching, guys. This was me bringing you the unboxing of a Max Grip plus tripod. The only thing it's missing is something to put around your hand, but that's okay. There's no real place to put it unless you put it here, and it'll go around your wrist so you don't drop it. But it's, so far, so good. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave the comment below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.